Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting for drone fans, a closer look at the DJI Neo 2. Whether you're an experienced drone pilot, an aspiring aerial photographer, or just someone who loves flying tech, this new drone is shaping up to be a game changer. While most of the tech world is caught up in major movie buzz like Avatar 3 *, something big almost flew under the radar until drone analyst Jasper Ellen spotted a mysterious drone in a behind-the-scenes video from cinematographer Igor Bogdanov. Zooming in revealed a futuristic design, with top-mounted batteries, prototype labels, and double-stacked propeller guards, something clearly outside the known DJI lineup. This find kicked off speculation that we're looking at a prototype of the DJI Neo 2, and the visual differences are more than skin-deep. It looks like DJI is reimagining the Neo line entirely, focusing on making it more durable and capable, yet still accessible to both casual users and dedicated enthusiasts. Rumors suggest significant upgrades are in the works. Flight time is expected to improve to between 20 and 25 minutes, up from the original Neo's 18. Even more impressively, DJI aims to keep the Neo 2 within the sub-250 grams weight class, which is key for staying clear of heavier drone regulations in many regions. One of the most anticipated upgrades is a new 1.3-inch CMOS sensor. This change promises sharper images, better dynamic range, and superior low-light performance, all while retaining a compact, portable frame. This could open up amazing possibilities for capturing sunsets, night scenes, and more cinematic shots with ease. On the software side, the Neo 2 is expected to introduce advanced AI flight features like smarter subject tracking, enhanced obstacle avoidance, and perhaps even gesture-based controls. There's also talk of a new transmission system, either a scaled-down version of DJI's O4 or a next-gen Wi-Fi solution to support stronger, longer-range video feeds. The Neo 2 is positioning itself as a mid-tier drone, but one packed with pro-grade features. Compared to DJI's Flip drone, which is designed for ultra-portability and beginner ease of use, the Neo 2 seems to strike a balance between power and practicality, ideal for users who want better visuals and more robust flight control without jumping into Mavic-level pricing. If the leaked specs are accurate, the Neo 2 could dominate its category with longer battery life, a much-improved camera, and smarter flight control. And it's not the only big release coming. DJI's 2025 lineup looks loaded, including the highly anticipated Mini 5 series. Interestingly, DJI might launch the Neo 2 and Mini 5 around the same time, which is unusual since they typically stagger their releases. This dual launch strategy could be aimed at covering both the entry-level and mid-tier markets at once. For those wondering whether to wait for the Neo 2 or buy the current Neo, it comes down to your needs. The original still offers solid performance, but if you want the newest tech and features, waiting a bit longer might be the smarter call. Initial concerns around the Neo 2's early leak design, especially the bulky propeller cages, have been eased by new footage showing a more polished, aerodynamic look. Now let's turn to the DJI Mini 5 Pro, another drone that's been turning heads. This model is shaping up to be a major leap forward in the compact drone category. It's rumored to feature a 1-inch sensor, a massive upgrade for a sub-to-5 OG drone, giving it vastly better image quality and low-light performance features typically found in much larger models. Another standout feature is the redesigned gimbal, which reportedly allows full 360-degree rotation. That opens up entirely new creative possibilities for smooth, dynamic video shots. The Mini 5 Pro might also come with DJI's advanced infrared sensing system for obstacle detection, effective up to 25 meters even in dim conditions. Safety and smart flight are clearly being prioritized. And battery life. Rumors point to an impressive 50 to 55 minutes with the upgraded 4680 mAh battery. Even the standard battery could hit 45 minutes, which is outstanding in this category. Other expected upgrades include quick-release propellers, DJI's O4 transmission system with up to 20 km range, internal storage likely 32 GB, and compatibility with DJI's motion controller and Goggles 3 for immersive FPV flying. New features may even include voice commands and audio recording through the app, perfect for vloggers who want to narrate on the go. There could also be a dedicated button to launch cinematic flight modes, instantly great for creators wanting fast, professional-looking shots without fuss. As for pricing, early estimates suggest around $850 for the base model and up to $1,200 for the Fly More combo. That places it between the current Mini 4 Pro and DJI's more premium Air series. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to officially drop in September 2025, while the Neo 2 is scheduled for launch on August 7, 2025. If these timelines hold, the second half of the year could be huge for drone fans. With the Neo 2 and Mini 5 Pro both on the way, DJI seems ready to offer something for everyone in 2025, from budget-friendly models to feature-rich flying machines. Whether you're a beginner, a hobbyist, or a seasoned aerial filmmaker, there's plenty to be excited about.